hell are you? What are you doing in that tent?
Depends who's asking.
The sheriff's asking.
I never did like sheriffs very much. You're not going to shoot a man in the back.
First step and the closer I get, sirens scream in my head like watching a fire when it meets the flood. Because I've seen enough now to know I've changed the pattern of the storm. I've seen enough now to know I've seen enough to know that spin me around, knock me off my feet. You rain on me. You know you can be my hurricane. Blow me away, pick me off the ground. Try to stay dry, but I just might drown. Honey, you can be my hurricane. Your voice is thicker than air, lost like a diamond in Times Square. Cold and alone, lost at sea. And let me breathe. When the sky is dark and everyone's inside, I'll be waiting there until your storm collides. You know you can be mine. Spin me around, knock me off my feet. Try to stay dry, but you rain on me.
Two sheriffs.
Two sheriffs? Bloody hell, that's not even fair, is it?
My name's Will Scarlett. I used to be a merry man until me and Robin Hood had a bit of a falling out.
So what are you doing in his tent?
Well, I heard what happened to Marion. Terrible thing.
Read it. What do you think it says?
Dangerous urn. Keep away. Just a guess.
What is that thing?
I don't know. It's a device for talking. I don't bloody know. I press the Emma button and she answers usually. Why should I carry around this ridiculous thing if you're never there when I use it?
I don't mean that, Christoph. It's the spell.
No, I'm seeing clearly now, too. I'm beginning to think that this haircut wasn't my only bad idea.
I know this isn't really you. I know it. But it's still upsetting, so I'm gonna go see my sister, and you just stay here handcuffed where you can't hurt anybody but me with your words.